There are 400 billion stars in our galaxy, just in ours. Now, multiply that by 2 trillion galaxies. That's a number so big it breaks your brain. Statistically, life should be everywhere. The math basically demands it. So here's the fun part. We've been scanning the sky for decades. Radio signals, telescopes, probes, the most sophisticated equipment humans ever built. And what did we find? Nothing. Not a beep, not a blip. Not even a cosmic, hey. A universe this impossibly huge, and it's completely, utterly, terrifyingly silent. That's not just weird. That's the most unsettling thing in all of science. So a physicist named Enrico Fermi sits down for lunch. 1950, Los Alamos. Normal Tuesday. And he asks one question. A question so simple it's almost stupid. Where is everybody? That's it. That's the whole paradox. But here's why it's terrifying. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. That's not just old. That's ancient. Even a civilization just 1 million years ahead of us would have technology we can't even imagine. They'd have had billions of years to spread, to explore, to colonize, to leave something behind. Even at just 1% the speed of light, you can cross the entire galaxy in 10 million years. 10 million years sounds like a lot. To a 13 billion-year-old universe, that's a coffee break. So where are the signals? Where are the probes? Where is the cosmic graffiti? This isn't just a weird coincidence. This is a full-blown scientific paradox. And it keeps the smartest people on Earth up at night. So scientists asked the obvious question. If they should be here, why aren't they? And the best answer they came up with is also the most disturbing one. It's called the Great Filter. The idea is simple. Somewhere between dead rock and galaxy-spanning civilization, there's a wall, a barrier so hard to get past that almost nothing survives it. Every civilization hits it, and almost every civilization dies at it. Now, here's where it gets personal, because there are 2 versions of this story, and one of them is great news. The other one is a nightmare. Scenario A. The filter is behind us. Maybe the hard part was just getting started. Getting from dead rock to complex life. That took billions of years on Earth. Maybe that step is so rare that we already beat the filter without knowing it. We're the lottery winners of the universe. The rare ones who made it through. That's the good news version. Now, scenario B. The filter isn't behind us, it's ahead. Every civilization reaches a certain point, maybe exactly our point. And then, something destroys them. Nuclear war, runaway AI, climate collapse, something we haven't even invented yet. And here's the part that really stings. If we ever find alien ruins out there, that's not exciting. That's a warning. It means they got this far too. They had cities, maybe technology, maybe hope, and they still didn't make it. Finding life wouldn't be a celebration. It would be a countdown. So here's where we land. Nobody knows which scenario is true. Not the scientists, not NASA, not even the guy with the biggest telescope, nobody. But here's what we do know. The universe had billions of years to fill itself with life. And it looks completely empty. That silence isn't random. It's telling us something. Civilizations aren't guaranteed. They're fragile, incredibly, stupidly fragile. And maybe that's the whole point. The universe isn't ignoring us. It's watching, waiting to see if we're smart enough to get past our own filter, whatever that turns out to be. So next time someone tells you, your problems are tiny compared to the universe, they're right. And also, that's absolutely terrifying. Stay curious. Or don't. Statistically, it might not matter.